Hi, my name's Missy Allen. I'm administrator here at Riverview Healthcare Center. We're a 121-bed community, and we offer very many services. We really focus on quality of life and our nursing services. Our quality of life program is really the pivotal part, because even though we take care of everything from hip fractures to strokes to car accidents to Alzheimer's and dementia-related diseases, quality of life is the huge part, because wherever you're at in your process of life, we want your quality of life to be the best it absolutely can be. We're honored that you have chosen Riverview to be taking care of your health care needs. Today you'll be meeting some folks who will be taking care of you and assisting you while you're with us. Riverview Healthcare is a 121-bed community. We provide skilled nursing services, therapy services to all in our community and in neighboring counties. We have a full staff of therapists. We have RNs and LPNs around the clock. We have an awesome group of certified nursing assistants, of dietary aides and housekeeping aides, and maintenance folks that keep the building going and keep everything in basically tip-top shape for our residents. I think one thing that we always want everyone to know is about Riverview is we are a community. Since we live in a small area, everyone knows everyone else, and it's like coming home when you're at Riverview. We have a full-time chaplain on staff, and that's huge for any nursing home. Usually there's not a chaplain, so that's a huge part for us. Again, quality of life, we can't stress that enough, how important it is that our residents' quality of life is taken into account, and we try for them to have the absolute best day that they can every day while they're with us. Our company, Signature Healthcare, has a mission and vision that it's a revolution, that we want to radically change the landscape of long-term care forever. And at Riverview, we truly believe we're doing that through our quality of life program, through our chaplain program, through our Hall of Fame program, through our nursing program. We're basically blowing up long-term care and trying to make it better for our residents now and in the future. As we look at what's the next 2 to 5 to 10 years, we know that there's massive changes that are going to be coming, and we want to meet those changes, and we want to really focus on our resident-centered living and make long-term care not a place that you think of, gosh, it's a place I'm going to die, but it's a place that I'm going to live, that I can have the absolute best day that I possibly can have. One of the things there's several things that make Riverview Healthcare a unique community. First, we are a community. We are striving to move toward resident-centered care. Usually, the resident is in a facility is on the employee's time. In our building, we want our stakeholders to be on the resident's time. So we're moving toward that, and we feel that it's very important to take the choices and the desires of the resident into account in all of their needs for daily living. Another thing, again, quality of life is huge. We do a lot of things with our residents. We're always going on outings and various trips, but we know that not every resident can leave the facility, so we have groups that come in, and you will be hearing from our quality of life director as she talks about some of those things. We at Riverview are an integral part of the community. We are a small community. but we take pride in being part of that community. As I stated previously, not all residents can go out on outings for health reasons, but we have a lot of community folks that do come in. We also try to help in the community by being part of various causes, the Highland Folk Festival, Jenny Wiley Festival. We always take part in those types of activities in our community. One of the things that is awesome at Riverview is our dietary staff. Of course, we have 3 meals daily at least, with snacks in between. One thing that, again, is different about our community is that meals are not at any set time for everyone. If we do have regular dining hours, but if you want to eat your breakfast at 10 a.m., that's no problem. Just let us know and we'll make those arrangements for you. We also have a very varied selection of for you at each meal. So if you are difficult to please with your eating, then I'm sure that we will be able to find something that you will enjoy.